Toyota, established before the Second World War as a textile company, developed an automobile department in 1993. But the new startup was plagued by issues. Every step of the process, from engine casting to framework, had waste. And unless they got these issues under control, it would never make a profit. So Toyota studied every aspect of every process until he was able to improve the entire production, and that hard work paid off with a Japanese government contract which led to the birth of the Toyota Motor Company in 1927. The Toyota production system and the Toyota Way, now known as Lean and Kaizen, was introduced to the world in 1988, changing quality control forever. While Six Sigma focuses on reducing defects within a process, Lean focuses on the reduction of waste within that process. Lean is built upon a foundation of 5 pillars, or principles. These are principles of thinking which include identifying value, mapping the value stream, creating flow, establishing pull and seek perfection. We start all Lean initiatives by identifying what is most valuable to the customer. Next, we create a value stream map to locate sources of possible waste. In order to create a workflow, we must start eliminating waste from the process. A key aspect to waste reduction is the transition from a push system to that of a pull system. That is, reacting to the customer's demands. And lastly, Lean emphasizes on continuous improvement. We must always seek perfection in every process. Traditionally, there are 7 wastes defined within lean manufacturing. But more recently, we have identified an 8th waste, and we remember them through the acronym Downtime, which stands for defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talent, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing. Defects are anything that is not within specification. Producing too much is overproduction. Anytime there is a bottleneck in the process, there is waiting. If employees are not effectively engaged, then their talents are not being fully utilized. The output of one process should flow into the next rather than having to be transported. Warehousing inventory means that it is sitting idle. Employees' actions should have a fluid motion, and performing extra unnecessary processing steps to finish a product are all types of waste that we seek to reduce. When it comes to Six Sigma, DMAC is the de facto framework used. But when it comes to Lean, it is often said that Kaizen is the core framework. Kaizen, which means a change for the better, is a 6-step process that starts with the discovery of a potential improvement. From there, we analyze the current methods to determine the root cause, so we can then generate ideas to resolve the identified issue. Next, we develop a plan before finally implementing that plan. The process is concluded by evaluating that change to determine its long-term viability. There are several different ways to conduct a Kaizen initiative, but all Kaizen initiatives have one thing in common. They are short in duration, with most taking 5 days or less to complete. Part of reducing waste is reducing motion, and that requires everything and everyone to be as close to the actual place the work is done as physically possible. The term Gimba literally means the actual place. In lean manufacturing, Gimba is the place where problems are most visible and where improvement ideas should initiate. In quality management, Gimba literally means the production floor and asserts that when a problem occurs, the only way to solve the problem is to go right to the source, to gather data and develop solutions. We should take a step back from the day-to-day operations and take a Gemba walk in order to identify wasteful activities. Before we can begin any initiative, We need to identify possible opportunities. In Six Sigma and Lean, whenever circumstances present themselves manifesting a potential problem with a product or service, they present an opportunity to make an improvement. An opportunity can be as simple as fixing an operation that has more steps than needed, or a product that occasionally leaves assembly with a defect. Or it could be as complex as a seemingly unpredictable glitch in the process that costs the organization money. Identifying opportunities is not always easy, but the best way to start is by asking those directly involved first, then creating a value stream map. Quality control is crucial to the success of any business. It can either make or break an organization. Good quality products and services build trust and lead to repeat business. But bad quality costs an organization money and drives that business away. Every week, we upload new videos between 5 and 10 minutes in length, where we will focus on the concepts and strategic implementation of Lean and Six Sigma. As a Master Black Belt, I am passionate about quality. And if you are too, then click subscribe to be notified whenever we upload our next Lean Six Sigma video.